Hi there everybody. I got the new iPhone 11 today, 11 Pro Max, and I just wanted to show you what came in the box with the phone. Of course, there is the phone, and the phone has the 3 cameras on it. I'll make another video when I get the phone all set up. And of course the standard papers and Apple window decals come inside the box. This is the power block, and it is a USB-C power block. These are the earpods, and they look just as uncomfortable as they always are. I'll try them again just in case, but it is lightning end on that one. And then here is the charging cable, lightning to USB-C. So I'm really excited to dig into this, especially to check out the new camera, and I will make some more videos and let you know how that is going and what the camera and the video is like on the phone. And currently I am videotaping this with the iPhone 7 Plus, and actually a handy dandy little apparatus that I bought for, let's see, how much was it? $1? So a little clip. And that's what I have my phone on to record this video with. So I'll do more about that, because like a $1 phone accessory I think is like so much fun. So I'll talk to you guys later and let you know more about the phone. Bye!